Welcome to my video showcasing 26 short songs from the Drill and Excel books 3 and 4. I begin each song with a summary of what it is about and what it teaches a student. You can purchase each song individually or as a set of songs in Volume 1 with 8 songs, Volume 2 with 9 songs, or Volume 3 with 9 songs. Here is Volume 1. At the Drive-In. This is a 1950s rock and roll style song that is really fun to play and fun to listen to. But don't be deceived, it is more challenging than what you may think. The right hand little finger has to play the melody notes louder and hold while playing chords at the same time. Watch your fingering when you play this. It's a little tricky on getting your fingering to play those top notes with your little finger. But most of all, just have fun. Burlesque Show. This is a fun song that has a real rhythmic bounce to it, and the challenge is playing the top note of the chord, which has the melody, louder than the other notes in the chord with the right hand little finger. Cloud 9 has a beautiful melody to the right hand, very simple quarter note melody, while the left hand is playing these constant triplets. So it is easy to overpower the melody with your left hand, so be careful to play the triplets very light and with control. Dizzy Days. This song will seem easy at first, but watch for the ascending thirds. And then also watch for the triplets against the even notes. Emotional Ride. This song is one of my favorite songs. The melody is beautiful. It is to be played rubato. The rise and fall of the tempo really adds to the emotion. This song is in the key of C minor. Is just very, very fun to play and beautiful lilting melody. Gadget Game. This is a unique song that I just enjoyed so much writing. The left hand it's all about the left hand on this song. So if your left hand seems to be weaker than your right hand, which is mostly the case, I'm left-handed and I always had to work harder with my left hand. So this is a good song to really work out that left hand with a fun kind of rhythmic feel to it. I hope you enjoy it. Hearts on Fire. This is a con brio with fire kind of a song. It's heavy in syncopation and driving beat. It starts out with a melody on one note and then it adds the third and then finally the full triad for building effect. And I do recommend taking time to just get your left hand learned because it has that constant offbeat kind of a feel. So you may want to spend some time just learning that and bring in your right hand slowly with alignment, aligning each of your beats because the rhythm can be pretty tricky on this one. But anyway, I hope you enjoy playing it. Ice Ballet is a beautiful tune written in 6/8, but has a syncopated 6/8 kind of a feel. This one emphasizes the offbeats and the 6/8 meter. So, but it has a kind of a laid back kind of a feel to it. I enjoy the harmonies in this song, really beautiful melody and harmonies.